Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's analyze the price chart of Avalanche that is currently trading at the level of $70.92. So this is the monthly chart. We're to some extent very familiar with the price chart of Avalanche in the different time frames. So let me remind you that last year there was a solid price increase followed by some kind of correction, then the price rebounded and the price skyrocketed. Here in November, the price recorded, let's say, a sequence of all-time highs, but later in the second half of the month, a correction started. And in December, we had this small bearish candlestick with a local high below the previous one and a local low slightly, let's say, above the previous one. Then we had a solid bearish candlestick with a local high once again below the previous ones and a local low below the previous ones. Last month or in February, a small bullish candlestick formed, and it has, I would like to highlight once again, a local high below the previous one. So this is a confirmation of the bearish pressure, but it has a local low above the previous one. So I would say that this is some kind of sign, or this is, let's say, a signal that although the bears continue to control the market, still there is some kind of solid support here. We're in this range because these candlesticks, they have local lows, let's say, at almost similar level or within a range, and we don't have this, let's say, at the moment sequence of lower lows. Of course, this is the candlestick for the current month of March. It may change till the end of the month. There is enough time. We're in the still in the first half of the month. This candlestick is very important. At the moment we see that it's a bearish one, but the bearish body is still within the body of the bullish candlestick. So I would like to highlight that it is some kind of signal that the market is consolidating. So yes, we still have the sequence of lower highs, but yes, the bearish pressure continues, but the market is, the price is receiving some kind of support. That's why I would say that it's some kind of consolidation according to the monthly chart. Of course, if this candlestick change, if it changes, I would like to say by the end of the month, then we will see at the very beginning of the next month what kind of signal this candlestick will provide. For at the moment, once again, we have some kind of consolidation. Now let's check the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. This is the solid price increase followed by some kind of correction, then a rebound, another correction. I want to highlight that most of these candlesticks here, they have these tall upper shadows, indicating that many people probably at that time were exiting the market. Recently, a small dodge formed, so we had a dodge here, 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 we had a dodge here. So these are candlesticks indicating some moments of consolidation. The price rebounded in the last days of January, but after that the price started to decline, and now we have these very small candlesticks. Actually, this is a shooting star, this is a shooting star, this is a long leg dodge, this is a shooting star. The current candlestick may change till the end of the day or till the end of the week, where this is today Sunday, so this is the last day of this week. Let's see what happens. But these candlesticks, they indicate that at the moment there is a lot of bearish pressure, and that's why we have these tall upper shadows. Let's see what happens next week, because this is, let's say, a renewal of the bearish pressure, but these candlesticks are relatively small. And that's why I would say that although we have this bearish pressure, this is still some kind of consolidation. Let's say we're in this consolidation range. So something like this. That's why it seems that there is a lot of support here, but let's wait and see what happens next week. This is the weekly chart. Now let's check the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart. We have three moving averages. Let's start step by step, and this is the first one. This is the 30-day moving average, or for the period of 1 month. The price has dropped in the middle of November, or in the, let's say, at the end of November, below the 30-day moving average, then the price rebounded and it surpassed the 30-day moving average, then it declined. And actually, I would like to highlight that it is fluctuating around, let's say, the 30-day moving average. That's why it seems that we have some kind of, let's say, consolidation. I won't say that this is a clear, let's say, bearish trend, because the prices has been fluctuating very close to the 30-day moving average. That's why it's still too early to say that there is bullish or bearish clear dominance. This is some kind of consolidation. If we add the 90-day moving average, or for the period of 3 months or 1 quarter, a bearish moving average took place here. The price has dropped below the 3-month moving average, and at the moment it is below the 3-month moving average. However, if we add the 1-year moving average, or for the period of 360 days, it is still heading upwards. So the major trend in the daily chart is a bullish one. So we still have this bullish trend. So definitely the bullish trend continues, but we're in a phase of correction. And I would like to highlight once again that the current price is above the 1-year moving average, but it is below the 30-day or 1-month moving average and 1-quarter moving average. So this means that in the short run, the bearish pressure continues, but the bullish trend still remains in place because we're above the green line. Let's see when this correction is going to finish. I will update you once I see some kind of, let's say, potential uptrend renewal. At the moment, once again, the bearish pressure continues, but the bullish trend still remains in place. And let's check also the 4-hour chart, because it's a very interesting one as well. This is the 4-hour chart. Let me remind you that there was a solid price increase, and now we have some kind of correction. And this is the descending channel. So this is, let's say, the descending channel. Actually, we have a bullish flag here. I would like to remind you that we have a bullish flag, but here within this descending channel, we have a sequence of lower highs and lower lows. That's why the correction or the downtrend in the shorter time frames still remains in place. We have this sequence of lower highs and lower lows. But if the price exits this descending channel or downtrend in the upward direction, then we will be able to spot the right moment of the uptrend renewal, because we have this bullish flag. And according to the technical analysis theory, if the price exits the bullish flag in the upward direction, in our case, it will resume the uptrend. But as long as we're still within this descending channel or the flag, I prefer to stay away from the market. So that's it for today, fellas. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your point of view on the price chart of Avalanche as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.